Youth and women, business development in regions, innovative solutions, knowledge and experience, capital for development. UNDP project strengthening community resilience and regional cooperation for prevention of violent extremism in Central Asia. The project supported 78 initiatives, of which 47 startups of young entrepreneurs from regions. Total amount of startup funds 7,661,000 soms.
Zor taksi деп ат койгонбуз бул зор.
We called it Zor Taxi. Zor means the best in local dialect. Many nationalities living in the region use Zor, so we chose a name that would be close to everyone.
Деп ошол ат койгонбуз.
Nuralı Paziev, founder of Zor Taxi, Isfana City, Batken region.
Жолбор ачылгандан бери азыркы учурда 60.
Since the start of the project, we employed more than 60 taxi drivers. Now they are serving our people. We have 2 operators who work from home. We provide them with computers.
Компьютерлер киргизип бергенбиз, ошол жерден эле башкарып турат.
We have big plans for the future. We hope to produce many tasty and healthy products under the Sari Kids brand.
Jarkhnay Derkenbayeva, founder of Sarıkız brand, Isykkul region.
Thanks to my business, my company buys local goods and services, and I provide local residents with jobs.
Кайтарым фонддон 167.
We received 167,000 soms from the Startup Fund to open an online platform for teachers and students, as well as initiate a study center.
Окуу борбор ачуу боюнча алдык.
Eldor Daliyev, teacher, Isfana City, Batken region.
Онлайн тартибинде анчалык билинбеди.
It was not a big issue to teach students and teachers online. Our students were from all over the country. However, we faced some problems with offline teaching because there were limitations. Over time, we found a way to teach offline.
Таап негизи офлайнга киритип аракет кылдык.
We are opening a student development center in our school.
Khurshidakhan Bakhtiar kızı, English language teacher, Nariman village, Karasu district, Osh region.
Биздин жаштарды өнүктүрүү борбору инновациялык жаштар борбору деп аталды.
We decided to call it Innovative Youth Center. We purchased modern technical equipment and other tools to teach students. UNDP provided with globes, 2 telescopes, and 4 microscopes for our center. We hope to use modern equipment to teach and develop the youth of Nariman.
Бизге алынып берилди. Биз келечекте буюрса ошол нерселерди пайдаланып, техникаларды пайдаланып, Нариман жаштарынын өнүгүүсүнө өзүбүздүн салымыбызды кошобуз деген ниеттебиз.
In comparison to previous years, 30 to 40% of people are using internet shops. The residents that did not pay attention to online shopping before are now interested.
Faruk Kalmatov, founder of Isfana.net online sports shop, Isfana City, Batken region.
Элдер кайсы жакта көбүрөөк? Мисалы, азыркы
Where can you find the greatest number of customers? To be honest, residents have stopped using websites because it is extra work. So instead, we should use Instagram, YouTube, or other platforms because more people are using them.
элдер ошол жакта көбүрөөк болот.
Балыкты мурда мен
I used to prepare the fish at home and sell it to clients in bulk.
оптом клиенттерге берчүмүн да үйдөн.
Akjoltoy Akberikova, merchant, Balıkçı City, Isykkul region.
Вакуумга салып, вакуумдап көрөлүк деп.
After seeing the fish without packaging placed next to the polluted highway, where you could clearly see the car smoke and dust from the road, I got the idea to package the fish with vacuum bags. We saw information about UNDP project on Instagram and decided to apply. Our application was approved and we received assistance to fulfill our idea.
Деп бизде ой бар болчу да мурдатан. Анан ошонун негизинде ошо прондун эмесине жазып өтүп кетип, анан ошолордун жардамы аркылуу анан биз ушундай кылып иштегенге мүмкүнчүлүк алдык да.
Алыскы жактагы үйлөргө эч ким бара.
Nobody masters wants to travel to the region, but villagers want to renovate their homes too.
Коздогусу келишет да, аябайчы.
Kaniyet Onolbek ulu, craftsman, Kochkor village, Narın region.
Буюрса, азыр биздин офисибиз, филиалыбыз Кочкордо болгондуктан,
We have our office in Kochkor right now, but God willing, we want to open offices in Jumgal district, Narin city, Atbashi district, all districts in Narin region. If we start from here, we have ambitions to open offices all around Kyrgyzstan, but in regions and villages. We want to bring happiness and love to villagers by refurbishing their homes. That's the goal, to make them smile.
бақыт тартып алайыз деп қойсақ болот. Ушундай максат. Жылмаю болсо болду бизге.
70 000 сомду биз по идее
We received 70,000 soms to buy furniture. I bought 2 bunk beds and 2 normal beds for 4 rooms.
одинарный кровать, 4 комната рассчитанный болчу да.
Токтобек Ташкараев, entrepreneur, Карабура district, Кызыладыр village.
Оңой турган жок, но в принципе кылынды иштеп атат.
It wasn't easy, but we managed to open it and now it is working. We are happy with the monthly revenue. We are close to the border, so the pandemic is having a negative effect on our hostel business. We have plans for the future. We are thinking of opening a social cafe or fast food place. I see myself as John Galt's partner.
Бизде ошо социально ориентированный кафе или тамактануучу жай ушундай форматта бир нерсе ачууга Джон Голд менен партнер катары өзүмдү көрөм.
Бул артта отель боло турган болду.
This will become an art hotel. We will hang works of artists. We participated in the Generation project and received an investment through John Galt. We are completing the refurbishment works right now.
Азыр ремонтту аяктап жаткан учурубуз.
Миргүл Каракозуева, entrepreneur, Osh City.
Бул бүсө 15 адамга чейин жумуш менен камсыз болот.
When we finish refurbishing, we will employ up to 15 people. We hope to open a coffee house, conference room. In the summer, we will have a terrace on the entrance where we can put tables and serve customers food. I am deaf. I got sick when I was 12, and since then I cannot hear anything. Before this, I created handcraft objects for sale. Later, I opened a grocery store. I tried to find a business that would be suitable for me to make me happy. I met a tourist who advised me to open a hostel. So I opened my first one-room hostel right next to the grocery store.
Чечсең болот деп. Анан биринчи хостел бул ошо магазин жанында эле кичинекей бөлмөдө болчу.
2009-жылдан бери ушул жерде иштейм.
I've been working here as a dentist since 2009. We needed an X-ray machine called Visiographic, so we turned to John Galt. We received 300,000 soms.
Инициативге кайрылганбыз. Ошол жерден 300 000 акча алгам.
Раимов Адахам, dentist, Jalalabad region, Suzak district.
320 000ге ошо радиовизиограф полный оборудование комплект.
We bought Radio Visiograph complex machine for 320,000 soms with an X-ray machine and computer. We have 3 dentist chairs here and this X-ray helps each of us. Our work has changed by 70 to 80% due to this machine. It's very easy to diagnose the problem now. This way, we are much more effective when treating the patients.
Ушул оборудованиянын артын диагностика кылганга өтө чоң жардам берет. Анан лечение кылып аткан убактыбызда дагы ошо леченияларыбыз кандай чыкканын көргөнгө өтө жакшы эффект берет.
In response to the challenges caused by the pandemic, 4 million soms was expended on 31 regional social projects. The funds supported educational courses, environmental projects, and ventures to provide citizens with accessible information. The participants of our trainings managed to find employment. They took part in online and offline trainings. In Kochkor village, with our financial support, toilet for the local school was constructed. Additionally, during the COVID-19 pandemic, oxygen stations were built in 6 regional hospitals.
Everything started from this course because the Dilger course motivated us. We joined a lot of seminars thanks to this course.
Ошол окуу курстарынын натыйжасында аябай көп семинар окуу курстарына катышканбыз.
Udina Mamadalieva, teacher, Bazarkorgon district, Jalalabad region.
Бизде аябай көп жаш кыздарыбыз, балдарыбыз аябай талант.
We have a lot of young and talented girls and boys. They play the komuz, guitar. Some are writing books, writing poems and publishing them. God willing, we want them to become famous with our assistance.
Ырларын чыгаргандар бар. Кудай буйрса, ошол жаштарыбыз биз аркылуу биз себеп элге таанылат деген максат менен ушул долбоорду ишке ашырып жатабыз.
Unemployment is one of the main reasons for migration and radicalization among the youth in regions. The business and social ideas supported by the project has been productive. New employment opportunities created in regions.